Welcome in part 2 where we create the iris for the Stargate. In this part we will create the textures for our iris. So without further ado, let's jump to Blender.
Welcome to Digital Imposter.
Okay, so before we continue the animation of our iris to open and close, now we will go for shading. We will create the textures for our iris. First, let's switch our workspace to the UV editing. Press A to select all. Press U and choose Project from View. Don't forget to turn on UV Sync selection. Press U again and choose Smart UV Project. Now we will move a little bit those UV to give them a little bit more space because they are packed a little bit tight for me. Next thing, I will scale them down a little bit. This is how looks my shading workspace. Your probably looks different, but this is the way I like to work. Now I will adjust the viewport settings, and right after I finish, we will start making our texture. Okay, so let's go to the Material tab, press New, and let's call this Iris. Okay, cool. Let's go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons again, and type Wrangler node. Okay, make sure you select that. Of course, as you remember, Save, Preferences, and Close. Okay, so when you use Ctrl T, UE will get those three nodes, right? Okay, image texture, get rid of this, delete. Shift A, texture, Voronoi texture, right? And when you Control Shift and click, you will get the preview of our Voronoi texture, right? So we will go from the color. Let's see the color of this, but don't know. I want smooth. Yes, smooth. Okay. UV, we have UV, and plug this here to the vector. Okay, it's too big. So scale, let's see 20. Still too big. Okay. Open. We will import our reference image. You see? As you can see, the iris is kind of grayish, bluish, and have this kind of discoloration patches, right? So this is what we're trying to achieve. And you can see how small those discolorations, those patches, I don't know how to, stains, look like. So we go in even smaller, 40, almost 50, kind of. Let's see, it will be a lot. Okay, so let's put this to 8. Shift, drag down, select all three. Let's change to 8. Oh, looks much better. Keep a search RGB Cool. Select the color. We have here the picker, and let's choose something not too dark, not too bright, something in between. Okay, perfect. Now Shift A, search for mix RGB. Perfect. Color put to the second one. This one we will put first one. And as you can see, more color, more gray. Let's put this 0.1. This is what we need. And still doesn't look as good as here, but don't worry, soon we will achieve what we need. So we can now plug this to base color. Okay, Control Shift here to connect. Now the Blender doing all the calculation. Looks like our texture still looks like garbage. It's metallic, so change to metal. Specular we can keep on 4, it doesn't matter. Oh, slowly we get our texture to look the way we want. Roughness 5, yeah, doesn't matter, we will correct our roughness. Okay, Shift the D, because now we will create the roughness. We will use the color, our color, but not smooth, make it hard, right? And now of course we will take our vector here. Looks good. Now Shift A, black and white. Okay, RGB to black and white. Cool. Looks like this. And when we put our roughness, and now connect this one, almost looks great, right? But some places are too rough, some are too shiny, and this is what we don't want, right? So where to go? Here we will Shift A, use map node, range, map range. Okay, so we have minimum is from 0 and from 1, right? Use. Okay, so here, so it means from 0 to 1. This is our range, right? Because roughness is black and white, from 0 to 1. 0 black, it means shiny. 1 means rough, not shiny, right? And we want to make this less shiny here. Of course you can use color ramp, but sometimes it's not worth to use it. So from 0 to 1, right? From black to 1. So we can put this to 7.5, right? Oh, you can see it's more rough, right? 2.9. This is our maximum. Oh, and it looks quite good. And make the colors less. 0.05. So bad. Doesn't look so bad. Looks quite good. So we have to fix this part now here. UV. So as you can see, I forgot unhide the part when the blades are crossing each other. So here, Alt H, okay, everything again, 7. Press U, Smart UV project. Oh no, yes, this is what we needed. This is what we needed. And like before, let's fix that stuff here. Box select. Now we will move them a little bit apart. EY, and much better. Okay, so we fix our UVs. And so let's back to shading, and looks awesome. Okay, we fixed our shading and looks awesome. Let's check our layout, rendering, go to ambient occlusion, blooms, and this is how it looks. So I think our patches are still too big, so let's go to shading and shift and change this to 10. Okay, looks good. Still too big. 12. Yeah, much better. 15 looks much better. And put here saturation little bit. We will go. Okay, looks good. So 0.1, saturation 0.1. Not bad, really good. Not bad. Shading. And smoothness here. Let's put point. Hard point. 0 is too hard. 0.1. 0.2. Okay, not bad. That's not bad. This is our texture of the iris. So in next video we will animate the iris so we could open and close it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget press the notification bell. Also share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.